Hey there, future blogging superstar. Ever dreamed of sharing your passions with the world? Of turning your ideas into income? Well, guess what? Blogging is your ticket to freedom, flexibility, and a whole lot of fun. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of blogging. We'll tackle the challenges, debunk the myths, and equip you with the tools and strategies to thrive. Get ready to unleash your inner storyteller, build a community, and create a blog that rocks. Think of this as your pep talk and game plan all rolled into one. Are you ready to dive in? Let's do this. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's clear the air. Blogging isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. I need to be a tech whiz to blog. Nope, platforms are user-friendly. Focus on your content, not coding. I'll make millions overnight. Unlikely. Building a successful blog takes time. Be patient and persistent. Think your niche is too small? A focused niche attracts a loyal audience interested in your unique perspective. Not a confident writer. Write like you speak. Authenticity shines through and resonates with readers. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow and refine your blog. What lights you up? What could you talk about for hours? Your niche is the intersection of your passions and your audience's needs. It's the sweet spot where you can provide unique value and expertise. Think about your skills, interests, and experiences. What problems can you solve? What knowledge can you share? Brainstorm a list of potential niches and research their popularity and competition. Remember, your niche should excite you. Passion fuels consistency, and consistency is key to blogging success. Choose a niche you're genuinely passionate about, and your enthusiasm will shine through in your writing. Be the go-to expert. Content is king. It's what draws readers in, keeps them engaged, and establishes you as an authority in your niche. Your content should be valuable, informative, and entertaining. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? What information are they seeking? Provide solutions, answer questions, and offer unique insights. Use a conversational tone, keep it concise, and break up long paragraphs with headings, bullet points, and images. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. Write blog posts, create videos, record podcasts, or design infographics. The key is to deliver high-quality content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Turning passion into profit monetization methods. Once you've built a solid foundation and attracted a loyal audience, it's time to monetize your blog and turn your passion into profit. There are various monetization methods, each with its pros and cons. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. Display ads are placed on your blog and you earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. Sponsored content involves partnering with brands to create sponsored blog posts or social media updates. You can also create and sell your own digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or printables. Choose the methods that align with your brand and audience. Now that you understand the basics, let's explore strategies to take your blog to the next level. Get found on Google. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your blog. It involves optimizing your content and website to rank higher in search engine results pages, or CRPs. Keyword research is key. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords your target audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your blog posts, headings, and meta descriptions. Focus on creating high-quality, informative content that satisfies user intent. Build backlinks from other reputable websites to increase your domain authority. SEO is an ongoing process, so stay updated on the latest best practices. If you're finding this content helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me create more great content for you. Email marketing. Build your tribe. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building relationships with your audience, promoting your content, and driving traffic to your blog. Start by creating a lead magnet, such as a free ebook or checklist, to incentivize visitors to subscribe to your email list. Segment your email list based on subscribers' interests and engagement levels. Personalize your emails and provide valuable content that resonates with each segment. Use email automation to streamline your email marketing efforts. Nurture your subscribers by sending regular newsletters, sharing exclusive content, and promoting your products or services. Email marketing is a long-term strategy that can pay off big time in building a loyal community and driving revenue. Spread the word. Social media is a fantastic tool for promoting your blog, connecting with your audience, and driving traffic to your website. Choose the platforms where your target audience hangs out and focus your efforts there. Create engaging social media profiles that reflect your brand and niche. Share your blog posts, create original content, and engage with your followers. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Run contests, polls, and Q&A sessions to boost engagement. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers in your niche. Social media is all about building relationships and providing value, so focus on fostering a sense of community. Your expertise packaged creating and selling digital products is a lucrative way to monetize your blog and share your expertise with the world. Digital products are any digital resources that can be downloaded online, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables. Identify your audience's needs and pain points. What problems can you solve with your knowledge and skills? Create high-quality digital products that provide solutions, offer value, and are easy to consume. Price your products competitively and offer excellent customer support. Promote your digital products on your blog, social media, and email list. Digital products are a great way to generate passive income and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. The rewards of blogging. Blogging is a journey, not a destination. It's about creating something you're passionate about, connecting with like-minded individuals, and making a difference in the world. The rewards are immense. You'll gain new skills, expand your knowledge, and build confidence. You'll connect with people worldwide, share your story, and build a community around your passions. You'll have the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. And yes, with hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting a blog and making money online. Remember, the most important step is to take action. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Choose your niche, create amazing content, and promote your blog with passion and enthusiasm. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing. The world needs your voice, your story, your unique perspective. So go out there, share your passions, and make your mark on the world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below. Your feedback and support mean the world to me and help me create more great content for you. Remember, blogging is not rocket science. It's about being yourself and putting what you have into it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.